Hi, my name is Reagan and this is Logan. And today we are going to do rock candy making. So, the ingredients you need are sugar. You're going to want to need a lot because we're going to use a lot of sugar. You're going to need a pan, but you're also going to need boiled water, but we don't have any yet, so we'll boil that. A measuring cup, 1 cup. Okay, some chopstick with clothespin. Make sure it stands just like that, and make sure it doesn't touch anything. And some food coloring option. Okay, time to start with the first thing is boiling your water. Sugar? No, water. Sugar. Water. So now we have our boiling water with 3 cups of sugar, and all you gotta do is mix it until dissolved. You're also gonna want to take a long spoon so you don't burn yourself.
Okay, let Logan mix.
Yeah, Logan. So now we have our dissolved sugar and water in here. Now we have optional food coloring. Just put 2 drops in. There we go. Now it's time.
Yeah, you can mix it.
Now, time to put your thing in and mix up. It's pretty blue. Woohoo! That's so cool. But it's blue. Once it turns the color you want it. Can I have a different food coloring?
No, that's all we have. Okay, then set it like Reagan's.
And then set it across like you did before. Could do it this way. And then wait for 5 days. We'll see you in 5 days. Okay, so we waited and now we have rock candy. Mini rock candy. This is what we're made for, minis. But it mostly sticks to the cup, if you could see. Mini rock the crystallizes really get on the cup in the bottom of the cup. I can make bigger. So it's more like rock cup. Okay, so let's try it. Looking ready to try it? Let me try it first, jeez. Pretty good. This is so good. Pretty good.